Hello everyone. Ellen Woolbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Surprise, surprise, I'm here on a Wednesday evening. I am not doing any card making this evening. I actually have a bit of an announcement for you. Now, I've been planning and sitting on this for a little bit, and I finally got all my ducks in a row this afternoon. And I wanted to come on here and tell you and introduce you to my new classes. So previously I have been doing in-person classes, and I have been sharing those classes with you via my Facebook lives and my YouTube lives. So I am changing that, so you will still have access to my classes, but the access will be a little bit different. I'm not changing my Tuesday and Thursday live videos. You will still get those, but I am offering a couple of different tiers, if you call it. Hey Myrtle, how are you? So I'm just offering a couple of different tiers for my classes. So I'm still offering my in-person class, and these happen on the third Sunday of the month. So third Sunday of the month in my dining room. I was going to say in my dining room table. At my dining room table, I'll be doing class. Now, I am changing my focus. I've kind of changed that in my videos the last couple of weeks. I'm concentrating on a bundle, and I will be doing that for my February class. And the bundle that we will be focusing on is Two-Tone Flora. So we have the amazing stamp set, and I have the Two-Tone Flora dies. I played with this die for the first time today. Oh my God, I had so much fun. I have previously played with the Two-Tone Flora. I used it for my mum's birthday card, so that was earlier in January. So I have used it, but that will be the focus of my cards. I will be adding in other products, but we will be using Two-Tone Flora on all the cards. So my in-person classes will be $30. You'll get the fun of community and fun friendships coming here and hanging with me. Like, really, how are you not going to have fun? I will provide you a card kit with all the consumables that you need to complete 3 cards. You will have the use of my stamp set and dies on the day. You will get a PDF supply list with what we are using, and also dimensions. So if you want to remake the cards that we make, I will have the dimensions of what we've used. Access to 3 exclusive YouTube videos making the 3 cards we make, and a free gift to use with your kit. Now, if you choose to buy the bundle with me or from me, you get the class for free. Okay, if you just come along and you want to use my bundle on the day, class is $30. Okay, so that is my in-person option. Now, I understand not everyone lives near me. Not everyone even lives in the same country as me. So I've got an option for you as well. But option 2 is for people who aren't local to me or can't make the class date, because we can't get class dates right for everyone, and I totally understand that. So option 2, you will need to purchase the Two-Tone Flora bundle or substitute some things you have at home to work with the cards that you'll make. So once again, you will get the full card kit with the things you need to make, minus the stamps. Yeah, as I said, you'll require the bundle to complete the kit or substitute what you've got. Hey, Margie, I will give you the PDF supply list and the kit piece dimensions. You will have access to the 3 exclusive YouTube videos. There may be a bonus video in there as well, so you may get 4. And you can create from the comfort of your own craft room and still be able to participate in the class. So you'll have everything. You'll just need to get the stamp set from me or borrow it from a friend. But if you buy the 2-tone bundle for me for the at-home class, the at-home kit, you also get that free. And if you don't, it is $30 including postage to your door. And you, once again, you will get the free gift from me. Hey, Carol, how are you? Hello, Jane. So the first 2 options, you get a free gift from me. You get the card kit. You can either in person use my 2-tone floral kit, or if you have it and you would like to use yours, you can for the at-home option, or purchase it from me. And if you purchase a bundle from me, both option 1 or 2 are free. Now, for all my amazing people who are overseas, who don't want the card kit but still want access to my PDF and my videos, there is an option for you. For $10, I will give you the PDF supply list with the dimensions, and you will get access to the videos. So I have the 3 options. I just wanted to come here and say what's going on. I'm hoping to do this every month. I hope it goes well. I hope you guys like what I'm offering. So I will be sharing other projects in my videos. These ones I'll keep under the hat for people who pay or earn the access to them. But just know, oh my God, I'm so in love with these projects. It's killing me that I can't share them with you. But I'll show you the colours that I used on one of the cards today. So I have used Basic Grey, Mango Melody, Pool Party, and Calypso Coral. It's so pretty. So pretty. Very simple card. Well, not simple, intricate card that wasn't too burst your brain to make. So yeah, I'm having fun making these cards. In the description below, I do have the link to the event. The event has all of the details there and the links to my PayPal to register for class. Obviously, if you purchase this bundle from me, and I do have my shop link below, so we are talking about the 2-tone Flora bundle. So you get this gorgeous background, and then all of these die pieces go with the stamps. So yes, if you purchase this with me, you either get your in-person class or your at-home class with the card kit to make 3 cards. You get that for free. If not, the in-person class and the at-home class are $30. And if you just want access to the PDF and videos because you're not in Australia, that is $10 Australian. So I do hope you like what I'm offering. I did put a sneak peek photo on the event, so if you want to have a look at 2 of the cards that we're making, there is a sneak peek photo over there. And I do have some dates that are non-negotiable, so I can get these kits ready. Registration for the in-person class closes, and I want to say it is next Friday, but just let me triple check that. Yes, next Friday, registration for in-person class finishes, and the same for the at-home kit, and I will send the at-home kit and give access to the PDF and videos the week starting the 20th. So they will go out in the mail or be delivered to your inbox. So I hope you're all having an amazing day, evening or morning, wherever you are. I have all the information below. If you have any issues or any further questions, please don't hesitate to sing out and I will happily help you. I will see you tomorrow on YouTube at 12 noon, and we are playing with, the stamp set is there, we are playing with the Beautifully Happy stamp set. So that's what we're playing with tomorrow, and I have no idea what we're doing yet, but we will make up some fun together tomorrow. I will hear and see you soon. Bye.